Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to set a song as Android ringtone. So let's get started. Head to the settings app, scroll down until you find sounds and vibrations. Tap on the option and then tap on ringtone. If you are using multiple SIM cards, then you can change the ringtone for only one SIM at a time. Tap on the SIM card that you want to change ringtone of. I am going to change my ringtone for SIM 1. You will see a list of options of sounds. These are basically the sounds suggested by the device itself. But if you want to particularly choose a song that is on your device, then you have to tap on the plus icon. The plus icon will be on the top right corner of your screen. When you tap on it, you will see the songs that is already in your device. Find the song that you want to set as your ringtone. In order to select the song, you simply have to tap on it. After you have chosen the song, tap on Done. And you have now successfully set a song as your ringtone. I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.